Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys pin lock password setting, how to use. Friends, in your Redmi mobile pin lock password setting, you want to use, you want to set up, you want to change Redmi mobile pin lock password. So friends, now let's see how to change Redmi mobile pin lock password one by one, step by step we will talk about. So friends, first of all we will turn on Redmi mobile phone setting. After turning on guys Redmi mobile phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in Redmi mobile. So friends, scroll down here, open your phone password security setting, open your phone screen lock setting, tap on pin lock password setting. Remember your lock screen password and remember your pin lock password. If you forget it, you will have to erase all data. Got it? First of all friends, click here right side this icon, eye icon, and if you enter password, so you can check your password. So friends, I will use 1230. Continue, and friends, if you use 3 dot, also you can 3 digit password, so you cannot set password at least 4 digit, then you can use it. Continue 1230. Friends, your pin lock password will set. You can unlock your Redmi mobile with pin lock password. Lock your phone. You want to unlock Redmi mobile, 1230, phone will unlock. And you want to change your pin password friends, you want to increase your pin password 4 to 16 digit you want to use, so you can use in your Redmi mobile also. Again, open your phone setting. After done phone setting friends, open your device password security setting, open your phone screen lock setting, enter your password. After enter password, next click here pin lock password. Remember your password. If you forget it, you will have to erase all data, photo, video, everything will delete in your Redmi mobile. Got it? Remember password. First of all, click here, and friends, you can use 4 to 16 digit password. You can use friends. I will 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 10 digit password I will use. Continue 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So friends, you want to use long digit password, so you can use Redmi mobile long digit password also. So friends, now you want to unlock your Redmi mobile, 10 digit password, enter, phone will unlock. 5 6 7 8 9 0, phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can use Redmi mobile long digit password also. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in Redmi mobile lock screen password settings? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. And friends, if you enter again your lock screen password, you want to change password, you can change password. And if you click here turn off screen lock, your pin lock password will remove, your face lock and fingerprint will also remove in your Redmi mobile. You can unlock your phone without pin password. Swipe here, phone will unlock without password. Bye.